Installment Class 10 Chapter 1 ania a book explain down the question trying explain how kantum menga question inang on no la wangin avang kati don lo ni question number 1 hi antaila a loan of is to be returned into equal annual installments. Loans 21,200 hi installment voini pectorania if the rate of interest is 12% per annum compounded annually. Kumkata 12% pungin calculate the value of each installment. Installment kan pector zakha kan zong donani tam annually tile yearly tika ay nang rengani. Non kan lagzat kha 21,200 ania chuan rate chu 12% per annum chuan let this x be the value of each installment and P1 and P2. Then question akan 2 equal annual installment ati wangin 2 ani chon P1 P2 3 ani chon P1 P2 P3 4 ani chon P1 P2 P3 P4 te da chojel ni turani be the principal for each installment respectively. Tilai country turchu tilai long taken hi present value amount principal amount ni donani. Therefore x ye kan installment pector zarkanita go to P1 1 plus R by 100 nia R to 12 nia 100 eta P1 ani chan tapahin 1 tapa meter so x equal to P1 a fraction in here. Fraction can build on so on 100 in here. So 100 plus 12 in here. Tilang pang 1 and on so on direct in himi build top may turani 102 by 10 in dona. He can cancel one 28 by 25 so donani 62 28 by 25 so P1 equal to P1 here masing ka dadon son he equal to P ava phengai dona equal to P ava phe don so denominator la numerator te he na inthakan x 1 he P1 ni dona chuan P2 zongale taila ati dang kha ai nang vek dona P2 ni kha chuan ta hen 2 kalo da ve me turania chuti chu P2 chu 25 by 28 heta 2 ni wangin 2 da vetaila x so ni hi p2 equal to 25 hi voi ni ka puntir chuan 625 chokdana 28 hi voi ni ka puntir vele chuan 784 chokdana ni therefore p1 la p2 ka bel chuan ei tila kan principal ka ron chokdana ni 1200 so p1 value to 25 by 28x ania p2 value to 625 by 784x equal to 21,200. Mi penita hi LCM na tayo LCM ko lang doon chuan 784 hi kan LCM turon niya hi na sem tayo wangin 2018 kan LCM kan sem doon 28 at chok doon na 28 le 25 hi ka puntir le chuan 700x lo niya plus kai kan sem vele chuan 1 chok doon na 1 le achung mi ka puntir vele chuan x lo chokang chuan himi te hi ka bel chuan 1325x chokna 784 equal to 21,000 chuan x ka zon tung ni wangin ama chen data ila chuan 1325 le 784 te hi equal to pia uncle tira equal to pia uncle chuan ani ni chunga ron chunga sumi hi anai uncle vele chuan hi ka cancel chuan 1325 in hi ka sem chuan somparok chokdana somparok le 784 hi ka puntir chuan 12544 kan installment pack tur za chu hemi za thilung ni don tinani chu chuan anmaya hence the value of each installment is rupees 12544 the zme turuni chuan hemi la question nama chu similar question number 11 la 13 ka question number 1 and tidan ai nang cha so lo ti tomi ton ya question number 2 we can answer find the cash price of the TV tinia question number 2 question number 4 5 8 10 12 15 khang hoka cash price kan ti chuan present value ema principal ema ka zon turuni ati dana ai nang du vek dona ata question number 5 big hi find the cash price pelama total interest zon turani wang question number 2 le 4 ka kananga 3 po chuan question number 5 hi kan ti donani question number 3 suna kina loti tang adana dang le do leka question number 5 hi entaila beer ka purchase computer alaya by paying 5612.50 hi a laterin a penghala followed by 3 equal half yearly installment voithum half yearly kumchun ve abza pekturania so ana rate ka 8% ania per annum kumkhata tinania half yearly ni chon achan ve ni dana so 4% so find the cash price of the computer manka kan zong computer leina manka kan zong tursunia chon inzange interest hemiza pungin voithum pe taila an hlepang tikha kan zon tar chuni solution cash price atira cash down payment aletira man amana peksa hi jek bokila hi jek ma satala aletira poisa peksu 5612.50 ani so value of each installment magnitude H788 nya reka 8% per annum nya chachu kumsan ve half yearly ni wangin H7 vesu 4% half yearly no nya that P1, P2 and P3 voithum ne wangin a principal ma present value ka voithum kan zon ve ngaya let P1 and P2 P3 be the principal ma present value ma geometry be the principal for each installment respectively. Installment equal to P1 1 plus 4 by 100 1 and even H788 equal to P1. Here ni china question number 1 kan teach 1 26 by 25 around so come P1 value to H788 equal to P kan paitir 1 numerator la denominator te hi and factoring value 2016 he consent to 338 chokdana 338 le 25 he ko puntir chuan 8450 no chokdana ne chuan P2 kan tile don chuan pahin 2 tim dala me turania chuan he mi te he voini lo zeg le dona chuwangin tihin ti dela similarly P2 ni ka chuan P1 a hemi a chuwa wangin e dara kin tihin sigila chuan hemi voi ni tur kha we kha kan je belame chuan 2016 8450 hi ka sem chuan 325 ron soka 325 la 25 hi ka puntir vela chuan 8125 ron so vela P3 to 0 he P2 klang nia person so he bak hi mang la taila chuan he voi ka jabel nei turani kan cancel vela chuan 312.5 so dana mite kan puntir vela chuan 7812.5 so vela therefore P1 P2 P3 value te belvek taila P1 plus P2 plus P3 so P1 so 8450 nita plus P2 so 8125 nita P3 so 8712.5 mite he kap bel conversion 24387.5 looks so done Chuti chu kan computer mantur chu price of computer chu emi P1 P2 P3 kan bel kan round swap le tira cash down payment paisa kan pek lock ha bel khomila computer man chu lock swap to mi don ani 5612.50 nia mi te hi ka bel khom chuan 30,000 hi kan computer man chu mi don ani chuan interest hi kan zong vele don chuan installment kan pek 87388 into 3 e voi thum kan pe a chu ta tangin ata P1 P2 P3 kan plus belcom installment voi thum kan pek atangin tuna hi pe taila kaka a interest apung za tur su ne hi ka pe vela chuan ka pungtir chuan 26364 ron chukna 24387.5 chuan mi te hi ka pe chuan 1976.5 hi apung za tur chu ni nga chuan hi computer man tur chu ni chuan hi mi na question in ang ho chu question number 2 4 8 10 12 15 teka aina atidan aina ngane question number 3 hi en le taila question number 1 ten an kan tidan aina renga an lo na chu the cash price of washing machine man chu singka sanga ni ta a John Sophia agrees to pay 2,000 in cash followed by 2 equal half yearly installment 15,000 ka 2,000 peloka chuan abang balance kan pek tur zong ka installment zone mai turani price of washing machine thing is it mega okay machine man chu emi zanita chuan cash down payment chu 2,000 ani chuan balance to be paid machine manania hemi zata pelok awangin kan paisa installment kan rul tur chu machine manatungin hemi kan pelok hi peita ila singka sangthum ron choka singka sangthum hi installment kan rul tur chu ni chuan hi ta tang hi chuan hi tilai singka sangthum hi kan principal ema kan present value ema kan ni don ani chuan hi ta tang chuan question number 1 pen kan tidan ai nang le vector let x be the value of each installment. And P1 and P2 be the present value or principal amount for each installment respectively. Therefore, x equal to P1 1 plus tayan rate ka zia ka thengil de ya rate ka 16% per annum ania chu 16% chon ve chu 8% half yearly loni don ne rate ka 8 by 100 P1 and E1 by 1 da vela taila x equal to P1 he kan chok vela chuan 27 by 25 ran sokam so P1 equal to 25 by 27 x similarly P2 to 25 by 27 that 2 ni 1 and 2 ni value x so 25 le 25 ko puntir 6 to 5 ninga 27 and 27.2 7 to 9 only P2 value. Therefore P1 le P2 the koni tila balance installment control to ka and then chu P1 value to 25 by 27x plus P2 value to 625 by 729x equal to 1300. Nandana LCM conduct 729 Italian Zakanima 727 in 729 Kasenson 27 at Soldana 27 la at Sumi 25 here Kapuntir Velachuan 675 x on 1 x running up plus here Kasen Velation 1 at Soldana 1 la here Kapuntir Velation 625 x 2 0 7675 le hemi ka bells 1300 x lonia by 729 x value 1300 into 729 by 1300 0 cancel tala 13 in to take cancel so 10 ania so 10 la he ka puntir 729 0 lot so far so this is the value of each installment equal to what is 7290. So question number Chin na inang le question dang chu question number 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9 te hi question number 3 nan tidan ai nang le vekani. Question number 12. Question number 12 question number 2 nan kan tidan ai nang renga. Masa question number 2 aka chuan poisa pek lock ane tu na chuan pek lock loan atang bank atang loan poisa pokani don wangin om don lawa. Jden chu state bank atangin 12% per annum pungin poisa pokta a chuan installment in void ni mi zathina peta a chuan loan ka engzat chenga pok ti le a interest apung zaka kan chu don ani. Number 12. Value of its installment server is 78,400 ani. So na rate ka 12% per annum. A loan allows ka consider kaka a principal ema present value mo khani donane. Let P1 and P2 be the principal for each installment respectively. 7, 8, 4, 0, 0 P1 1 plus 2 by 101. Here construction 28 by 25. So dana P1 value to 7, 8, 4, 0, 0 into emite 2018 emi kasent 1 280 0 lo chokam 2800 le 25 ka puntila 7 0 0 1 P2 turchu himila himi pakhat ombel tur khani meya chuan hi kan ringa chuan hi voikat kan seknon le me chuan hi ka cancel vela chuan 2500 chodana 2500 la 25 ka pointer chuan 62500 lo chokam. Therefore, loan taken loan lagza to P1 plus P2 ka nidana P1 value to P2 value to dana imite hi kabel konsuan 1 2 3 500 이제 놓쳤다네. 저는 interest to hi instrument voi ni peka wangin voi ni puntir taila trangin ta alon lakzat hi pelang hemi le hemi te ka puntir chuan 156,800 minus 132,00 equal 24,300. So here interest option. So question number 15 ka. Tuna question number 12 nan hian atidan ai nang le che ni. Question number 11 na right mixed fraction ka tidan tu entry lokam he mixed fraction he improper fraction kan da photanga chu he tila 2 le 12 ka puntir masang 24 aninga around chok le achung mi 1 hi ka beliang chu 25 by 2% alone don ani chon right hian fraction in on pa intinge kanti chon right ka 25 by 2 by 100 tian on dona h2 1 plus 25 by 2 le maybe puntir we to ne chon h2 1 plus 25 by 200 taninga hitang h2 atigan ka ainang le vector. Question number 14 tobernan lo enila. What annual payment will discharge a debt of 25,410 due in 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually? Himi poisa hi kan rule turza chunita leiba chuan hitang hian a principal kan zong photanga chumi principal chu installment in vain zat pek turngen yang tikha kan zong tur chuni solution amount to be paid percent 25410 ania chuan a principal zong ha satai la hitang hian therefore 25410 equal to p ta hian a rate is ya ka thing hil rate to 10% per annum ani principal present value ka zong ya 10% amania 25410 equal p hi concept 11 by 10 chuan in 2 years ati wangin and 2 lonia so this is p value to 25410 into imite hi jetlang lena wangin ne wangin 2 years ni wangin jetla chuan 11 in 250 hi kasen chuan 2310 chudana chuan 11 in hi kasen le chuan 210 chokam 210 10 le 10 hi ka puntir vek chuan 21000 hi present value mo principal mo installment kan petrol ani chitsu installment kan petrol no zong la tala let x be the value of each installment P1 and P2 be the present value for each installment respectively. Therefore, x equal to P1 1 plus 10 by 100. Yeah, P1 11 by 10. P1 to 10 by 11 x. Lonium. Setting booking and P2 to 10 by 11 x nega so 100 by 121 x. Therefore, sum bar to P1 plus P2 luninga P1 to 10 by 11x plus 100 by 121 x equal to 121 11 in 11 at soda kapuntusan sumina kapuntusan lotsokan plus 100x. So here kabelas 210 by 121x. P1 le P2 plus value 2 so therefore he meet P1 le P2 ka plus le he tilai nisina principal konzoka include donane. Therefore 210 1 2 equal x equal to 210 Lonega x value to 2100 into 210 ini teh is yet lang ito ni so for cancel 100 100 lahi ko puntir la so ini jadi nak contoh ni still hence the value of its installment isangka installment kan zirthai suni question inang kha omdwala kangka mangman ti vedon nia